सब्जेक्ट है सोशल साइंस, चैप्टर 4 है हाउ द ट्रेडर्स बिकेम रूलर्स। ये चैप्टर आपका कंटिन्यू है। आज मैं आपको इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर करवाऊंगी जो आपको करने हैं, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 2 हो गया था। नंबर 3 आए, वाई वेर द ब्रिटिश नॉट सक्सेसफुल इन एस्टेब्लिशिंग द रूल इन पंजाब ड्यूरिंग द रीजन ऑफ महाराजा रंजीत सिंह। आंसर है महाराजा रंजीत सिंह वॉज अ पावरफुल रूलर। He was entitled Punjab Keshri. With the help of European officers, he had raised a very strong army. He had trimmed over most of the provisions in the surrounding. The Britishers were afraid of him. The Britishers could not dare to interfere the rule of Punjab owing to the rising power of the Sikhs and reared of Maharaj Ranjit Singh till Ranjit Singh lived. Thus, during the period of Ranjit Singh, the Britishers did not succeed to establish their rule in Punjab. Question number 4. What reforms were made by Dalhousie in India? Answer है to make the British Empire firm and to raise facilities for good administration. Dalhousie made the following improvements. Number 1, he introduced modern mail system in India. Number 2, he started first rail route from Mumbai to Thane in 1853. He passed out to laws to ban child marriages and to allow widows to remarry. Number 4, he established universities in Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai in 1857. He started telegraphic service between England and India. Number 6 है, he formed public works department in India and had constructed long and wide highways like Grand Trunk Road from Punjab to Calcutta. Next question है number 5. Discuss about the special features of subsidiary alliance and annexation policy. Answer है special features of subsidiary alliance. Lord Wesley executed the system of subsidiary alliance to make British rule supreme in India. The specialities of system of subsidiary alliance are as under. इसके पॉइंट है नंबर 1, the king who adopted this plan had to accept company government as ultimate power. Number 2, the company government protected the state who adopted this system from internal and external invasions. Number 3 है, the king who adopted this system had to give the British government a certain amount of money or the province with yield equal to that amount. Number 4, the king who adopted this system had to keep one British officer in his state to execute this scheme. Special features of annexation policy. Governor General Dalhousie had made the annexation policy implement in some states of India. The specialties of this scheme are as under. Number 1 है to merge some state in the company government by defeating them in battles. Number 2, if a king died sonless, his adopted son was not recognized and the state was merged into the company government. Number 3, the state whose debt had increased too much was complete the merge into the company government. Number 4, the state where there was breakdown of law and order and there was anarchy all over was complete to get into the company government. नंबर 4 है जो प्रोजेक्ट है जो आपको करना है 6 है सॉरी. आफ्टर लर्निंग द यूनिट राइट योर व्यूज अबाउट द ब्रिटिश. The Britishers had come to India only for trading, but as they saw opportunities, they started establishing rule in India. They had only one policy: divide and rule. They adopted policies like convincing, bribing, penalizing, and knowing secrets and blackmailing. Blackmailing. They They took great advantage of internal disunity among the rulers of India. The system of subsidiary alliance scheme of Wesley and the annexation policy of Dalhousie caused a great damage to the rulers of India. Treachery and crookedness were in the blood and bones of the Britishers. अभी आपके पॉइंट टू पॉइंट वाइज क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस पॉइंट वाइज. नंबर 1 है, व्हाट वाज द मेन टारगेट ऑफ द ब्रिटिशर्स, व्हाट डिड दे टू अचीव. तो आंसर आएगा द मेन टारगेट ऑफ द ब्रिटिशर्स वॉज टू ड्रैग अवे इंडियन वेल्थ इन their country for the achievement of it. The Britishers took advantage of the unsteady political condition of India under the pretext of trading in India. The British officers took part in political conspiracies and established their domination through crooked ways. Number 2 है, what is the system of subsidiary alliance. Who had got the scheme executed? Answer है, the Britishers templed the local kings promising that they would secure them from internal and external invasions if they adopt their system of subsidiary alliance. In this way they establish their domination over such small states. Lord Wesley had got the system of subsidiary alliance executed. Under this scheme, the British company allotted their trained army for the protection of these states, and the states had to bear the expenses of their maintenance. This scheme made the kings cowards, slave and helpless. Number 3 है, mention the condition of Lord Wesley's system of subsidiary alliance. Answer है, the conditions of Lord Wesley's system of subsidiary alliance. Number 1 है, the state had to give the amount of money decided for the expense of the army deployed for the protection of the state, or they had to give away the province with the yield equally the prefix amount of money. Next, number 2 है, for the handing of the army, the king was supposed to keep a British officer in the state. Number 3 है, any person of another country was not to be employee. Number 4, if the conditions were carried out completely, the company would not interfere the internal matters of the state. Next number है question. Explain the firm annexation policy and make the list of the states who had adopted this scheme. States who had taken under processes through annexation policy. Number 1 Satara, number 2 Jhansi, number 3 Sambalpur, number 4 Jaipur, number 4 Punjab, number 6 Udaipur, number 7 Karoli and number 8 Nagpur. ये आपका क्या हो गया, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस पॉइंट वाइज करवा दिया. इसका मैंने आपको चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन करवा दिया और इसके मैंने आपको जो ब्रीफली आंसर थे वो भी करवा दिए. अभी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इसके मैं आपको गिव रीज़न, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स है, ट्रू फॉल्स है, फिर क्या है मैच द फॉलोइंग है और चूज़ द करेक्ट ऑप्शन है वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करवाऊँगी. ये आपको जितना करवाया उतना लर्न करना है और इसे क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है. ठीक है, थैंक यू.